Hello, everyone. I wanted to do a quick video here for you to help you get started, how to get started in your digital marketing program with Digital Growth Community. And I'm just so excited for you to have an easy start. We have the new program that is just going so well. And so I don't want you to have any hiccups. So I want to just share a few things and just make sure you're right on track. So I'm going to share my screen for a second here with you and go through a couple things. So you came into this program through through a lead page, through a contact page. You put your email in, you said, yes, get me the blueprint now. When you did that, it took you to a website. This is the website that you have set up for yourself, or you're setting up for yourself, or you will set up for yourself. You can see this is mine because my pictures are on it. So you came in, you guys, and you bought a program. You bought one of the Legacy Builder programs. You bought either the 900 Legacy Builder program, the 600 Digital Mastery program, the 300 Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, or the launch pad for $100, you guys. So then what happened was, as soon as you purchased that, let me click this. We just pretend we're purchasing the 900. You purchase this, you put all your information in, you click, and it says, yes, I agree to these terms. And the terms are below. You can click on the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and earning disclaimer if you want to know more. But basically here it says, there's no refund, there's no guarantee. This is a digital marketing learning program that you are purchasing. So once you click buy now, then you immediately got taken to the $29 payment screen. I don't have that here for you, but after you paid your $29 payment, you were then immediately taken to the Kajabi program sign up. So that is digital. Let me just see. Digital. I want to make sure I have it right here. Oops, I just signed out of it. digitalgrowthcommunity.mykajabi.com/login. That's your login for your Kajabi program website. I'm going to say it one more time. digitalgrowthcommunity.mykajabi.com/login. That's where you're going to go to look at this, your digital growth community. So you've probably already been there, but I just want to review, and I want to just say, this is the way to get started, you guys. Follow step by step. They have done this in a brilliant way for you. So you will see then in your program, the program that you purchased. So I purchased Legacy Builder program, so I'm able to see all the programs plus the exclusive bonuses. No matter which program you purchase, everyone gets the exclusive bonuses. So you see that in the middle there. We all get the launch pad. Well, you get the program you purchased plus the exclusive bonuses. So when, for example, you have the Legacy Builder program, inside that program is the Launchpad, is the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, is the Digital Mastery program. So you don't really have to study outside of the program that you got, the highest program that you got. These other ones are just for you to show other people and have as an example. So when you get started, you want to go to your highest program you purchased, which for here, I'm going to go to Legacy Builder program and clicking there. It takes me into this program, you guys. And so at the top, you have access community, view all the products, and search. And then you can put your little profile picture in there. Digital Growth Community Legacy Builder program. Remember, it's a program, not a product. It's a learning program. So, so here you can see that click here to get started. How much more clear could it be? How much more clear can it be? Now, I have actually just gone through and listened to some of these because I wanted to make sure that I was telling you the right thing. And so I'm going through step by step myself, even though I've been started for a while. I want to know what my people are doing and what is there for you. So click here to get started. There's 3 lessons in that section. Let's just go, for example, if you click there, you will see then there's an arrow, and then you click the arrow, it starts with a video. Michelle will come on, and then it will automatically take you to the next lessons. But you can click over here if you want to go to the next lessons and then what to expect. You guys, it's excellent. It's really, really good. And then if you want to get to the next module from here, you just click next module there. And this is gone over in there as well. If you have the Legacy Builder program and you want to attend one of the Legacy Builder classes, they're usually on Tuesdays, you need to get the link from this section. This is where you get the link for that, because the other people are not able to attend that. It's only for people that have paid for the Legacy Builder program, because then she's teaching some more advanced things in that program. So this is where you go to get the link for that. I'm not going to show it, but then you start with how to log into Kajabi, how to go through this Kajabi program. You go through everything there. You guys, you have to go through it at least once so that you know everything you need to know. Now, if you want to go back out, you can go to modules. That's where I want to go to. No, that's not what I wanted to do. No, I don't want to show you that. So I'm going to go back out. She will explain all of this to you guys. So this is the Legacy Builder program. You go through how to navigate Kajabi. You go through, the next part is the beginning part, you guys. Launch kit for your online business. Go through and listen to all of these. And especially this number 6 is launch to profit in 7 days. That's what you're all excited about. Launch to profit in 7 days. So I'm going to click on that just to show you and listen to Michelle for a couple seconds here.
All right. In this video, we're going to go from launching your business to profit in 7 days. I am going to give you a complete step-by-step blueprint of what you need to do to make profit in 7 days in your.
That's amazing. You can just tell she did that a while ago because she has got that throat thing she had going on for a while. But she, is a testament to her grit that she launched this while she was really sick. So this is your launch kit for the business. You can go back to the modules then. You've got pages and pages. You just keep going through one at a time. And then it's categorized too. So your launch kit for your business, that will take you a while. Automate your online business for time freedom. Now, this is where you build your automations in system.io. So you guys, if you don't go step by step, you're going to have tons of questions. Just go step by step by step by step. Okay. So now, what I also want to show you is that on every page of your program, you will see your lessons completed, and then you will see click here to access the digital growth community and a little bit about Michelle. So you guys have to access for the first time digital growth community through here. So if you're new and you're just starting, you click here to access the digital growth community. A pop-up will show up where you put your information, a few questions. You're going to put my name so that you're connected with me inside the community, so they know that you're legit, that you came from somewhere. They're really trying to protect you. And this is all in there, you guys. I'm just giving you a little bit extra tonight. So we're going to click there because I want to show you a couple really cool things in there. So this is the digital growth community in school. Now, she also mentions this. There is an app on your phone for school. I highly recommend getting that. It's free. There's also an app for Kajabi. And I highly recommend that. Today I was listening to that in the car. It's great. You can listen to them. You can go back if you need to watch them as well. So Get those two apps because you will use those a lot. So in the classroom, the main things, or in the digital growth community, the main things as a newbie that you want to make sure you're checking. One is check to see how fast we're growing, 17.8 thousand members. She tells the story of the group in your videos, but she's telling it from March, you guys. In March, we were at 11,000. In May, we're at 17.8 thousand. It is crazy growing so fast. So then you also want to check in here, the pinned post. Now there's only one pinned post in here. She does up to 3 pinned posts. The pinned post is usually the daily video that she does. And then something about a webinar for the week. And then she sometimes will have the tech information in there. But if it's pinned, you should know that you should read it or watch it. So then you want to go to the classroom. And in case you missed the daily post, you can go to the 90-day legacy run. Right now, we're on day 45, where she's talking about the strategy of the weekly webinar. So everything in here is so important. If you haven't watched these yet, take yourself through this 90-day run because everything she talks about is so important. And it's going to pump you up, guys. It's going to teach you. You're going to learn things. You're going to have content for your videos. You guys, when I was studying with Bob Proctor, you know, they said, don't worry, you're going to learn it. And so we studied every single day. So in a few weeks' time, Bob Proctor's words were coming out of my mouth. I mean, still to this day, there is stuff imprinted in me that will never go away because I learned it so deeply because I was doing it every single day. That's the way you're going to be about this. When I'm on my lives, I say stuff that I don't even know that I know because I've gone to every single webinar since I joined, because I've watched every single webinar. I've watched other people's stories. You guys, it's really important to embrace and be in everything you can so that you are changing the neurology in your mind and you're, you know, getting up to date with everything that's new. So you have to plug in, guys. Plug in, plug in, plug in, and stay consistent. I do this classroom, this for the 90-day run. I do this video every single morning. This kind of sets my day. So come up with a routine for yourself for your 2-hour workday. Now, the other important part to this as a new person is the Tech and Help call replays. So we're going to click that button. You have replays of the tech calls if you want to listen to those. She's also, the other Michelle has done this a walkthrough on each level. Launchpad walkthrough, passive daily walkthrough, digital mastery walkthrough, legacy builder walkthrough. What does she mean by that? She's walking you through how to set up your website, how to set up your automations. And so these are each like at least 2 hours long. Set aside the time or go through it step by step. You know, when I did this, I did stop and start. I would watch a little, I'd do a little, I'd watch a little, I'd do a little. So if you're going to do it on your own, you want to go through those setup sections. There's also contact, billing, tech, and support. Here's the email to contact tech and billing support if you need it. So that is a 24/7 thing. You can also post a question in the group under tech. You go back to the group, you hit the more tab. There's a tech and Kajabi support area. You ask your question in there, somebody's going to answer it. There are always people online available to answer your questions. So you might not always get the right answer though. So be careful if some random person is just answering your question, just make sure that you get a few answers and corroboration that you're getting the right answer. So, so that's where you go in the classroom. That's an important thing. The other thing is the calendar, where you're going to see the week ahead. Now, next week, we don't have the webinar set up yet. We don't know when it's going to be because they seem to like to do them on Fridays. I've noticed they've had one every Friday, but they've also some days had one on Wednesday as well. Since we did 2 this week, likely next week we'll just do 1 and then we'll see if we do 2 on the final week. That's my guess, that they're going to alternate 2 and 1, but who knows what they do. Sometimes we've had webinars on Thursday. I think it depends on Michelle's schedule and travel schedule as well. So when you click on these, there is, you can register, you can add it to your calendar. It has the Zoom link and add it to your calendar, and then it'll be in your calendar. So you guys, this is so organized for you. It's really incredible. So that's the calendar. That's really all. You should come in here, introduce yourself. She also tells you to do that. So I'm not telling you anything new here, you guys. I'm just pointing out a few things for you. There's also a great TikTok training here with people in the community that have success in TikTok. There's TikTok training in the Kajabi as well. So the other thing, if you're feeling low, go in the wins. Look at the wins. Go in and comment on people's things. You can become really active, get to know people in the group. When you're commenting and congratulating people, it's going to put you in a good mood, and you want to be in a good mood, right? You want to be positive to have the most success in your business. So I think that's all I wanted to share with you about getting started with your program. Now, if you don't want to do any of the tech and you want help, I have a person that I can give you. Her name is Crystal, and I can connect you with her. She doesn't charge very much, maybe $150 to do all the setup for you, and then you're good to go. So I hope that this recording has helped you. I hope it finds you having a great weekend. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me via email, and I will get back to you. And I'm looking forward to seeing your wins in the community. Talk soon.